Hey there, fellow dreamers! Have you ever daydreamed about becoming an instant millionaire? Well, today, I've got a fascinating topic to share with you: the lottery in 5 incredible times when people almost beat the system. Buckle up, because we are about to embark on a whirlwind of near triumphs and heart-stopping moments. Let's dive into these nail-biting tales. Our first story takes us back to 1980, when a group of factory workers in Massachusetts believed they had cracked the lottery system. Together, they invested their hard-earned money and successfully purchased 80% of all possible combinations. With the odds seemingly in their favor, the anticipation was electrifying. Alas, the $20 million prize ended up being shared with another winning ticket, leaving them with a bittersweet taste of what could have been. Moving on to our second captivating story. There's Joan Ginter, the lady with Midas touch when it came to scratch-off tickets. This Texas woman won not once, not twice, but an astounding 4 times, amassing a jaw-dropping $20 million in total winnings. Rumors swirled around her strategies. Some claimed she calculated the odds meticulously, but hey, a magician never reveals their secrets, right? Next up, we have a tale of determination and an instant millionaire in the making. Stefan Mandel, a Romanian economist, devised a truly genius plan. He managed to navigate the bureaucratic red tape of various countries, legally securing tickets for every single combination in the Virgin Islands lottery. With his master plan in motion, he banked on the jackpot, and guess what? He won! Not once, not twice, but a staggering 14 times. However, as the saying goes, all good things must come to an end. Lottery authorities changed the rules, making his strategy obsolete. Now, brace yourselves for story number 4, the infamous three-peat. In the early 1990s, a remarkable event unfolded in Pennsylvania. One extraordinarily lucky woman won the lottery 3 times in just one day. Yes, you heard that right, 3 times. The grand prize, combined with 2 smaller wins, added up to a life-changing $5.4 million. Talk about a triple dose of serendipity. Last but not least, we have a tale that will leave you questioning the boundaries of fate. It's about a man who saw a series of numbers appearing too frequently in his dreams to be a mere coincidence. Trusting his gut, he played those numbers, and he was right. The winning combination he dreamed about matched perfectly, granting him an amazing $2 million windfall. Could dreams really hold the power to unlock the lottery's secrets? And so, my dear viewers, these incredible stories remind us that sometimes, almost beating the system is an adventure in itself. Although these brave souls didn't emerge as millionaire victors, their audacity and clever tactics left an indelible mark on the lottery's history. Who knows? Maybe one of you out there will be the next triumphant protagonist in this thrilling lottery saga. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more exhilarating content, and share your thoughts and dream-winning strategies in the comments section below. And until next time, keep dreaming, and as always, stay curious.